Fulfillment isn't one-size-fits-all. Delays, errors, and misrouted orders cost real money. Amazon FBA check-ins can delay 20 to 50 shipments per month, Shopify and DTC orders 30 to 80 packages, and fragmented marketplaces add $1,000 to $4,000 in extra shipping costs weekly or even more monthly. Forceget handles every channel, every warehouse, from FBA prep and Shopify fulfillment to Walmart and multi-warehouse shipments, such as TikTok. We pick, pack, and ship with precision. Real-time inventory tracking, automated alerts, and DDP options ensure every order moves fast and arrives accurately. No missing orders, no delay shipments, no headaches. Forceget makes fulfillment seamless, channel-specific, and fully transparent, so your customers are happy and your revenue keeps growing. Contact us today for incredible offers to grow your fulfillment business and start selling omnichannel.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.